everyone, welcome to my operating system midterm examination video. Today I'll be demonstrating how to complete all the tasks in our assignment. So I'll walk through step by step of our question, show the comments and explaining their functionality in Linux. So my name is Kaisyah Azzahra. My student ID is 0903 138 23 28 1 and 30. For the first we need to create a directory structure according to our personal information. So let me show you how to do this. Now, as you can see, we've successfully created the main directory with my name, and inside it we have three subdirectories, and that is document, code, and archive. The ls command gives us a nice visual representation of our directory structure. Okay, now let's move on to file manipulation task. So okay, let me explain what we just did. First, we create file name identitas.txt and document directly. Secondly, we copied a file to the archive directory and rename it to identitas backup.txt. And next, we move the original file from the document directory to code directory. And finally, we display the content of the backup file to ensure everything was done correctly. Okay, for the next task, we need to set specific access permission and change ownership of the files. You can look at video. The first one is setting permission, read and write for owner, read for group, and no access for others. And then changing ownership to root, user, and staff group, and displaying file permission and ownership. So let me explain these permission settings. The command chmod 940 sets the file permission where 9, the first digit, gives read and write permission to the owner, and 5, the second digit, gives read permission to the group, and 0, third digit, gives no permission to us. Look at the sudo count root stop. The command change the file ownership to root user and stop group, and the output is ls-l show us -r, which confirm our settings. R means read and write, R means only read, and like this. What is this? What is that? The line means other have no access. Okay, now let's create symbolic links and demonstrate how it works. Okay. For the first, we're creating the reference file. And then we're creating a symbolic link to the reference file. And the last, displaying the content of the symbolic link. And as you can see, when we display the content of shortcut and my name .txt, it shows the update content from the reference file. And this happened because a symbolic link is essentially a pointer to the original file, not a copy of its content. When we access the symbolic link, we're actually accessing the original file it points to. This is why any change to the original file are immediately reflected when accessing through the symbolic link. Finally, let's explore the UMA setting and how it works at the file permission. So, the UMA's value we set at 0, 2, and 7. So with UMA's 0 to 7, the effective permission become owner 6 minus 0 equally 6. That means owner can read and write. And for the group 6 minus 2 equally 4, the group can only read, and other 6 minus 7 equally 0, and other have no access. So this demonstrates how the UMA's value directly affect the default permission of newly created files, allowing for automatic permission control without having manually set permission for each new file. To summarize what we've covered today, the first, we create a structured directory system for our project. Secondly, we learn how to manipulate file using basic Linux commands. And third, we set specific access permission and change file ownership. And the fourth, we create and demonstrate the functionality of the symbolic links. And the last, we explore how the UMS setting affect default permission. Thank you for watching my operating system midterm assignment video. I hope demonstration was clear and informative. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. This is Kaisyah Azzahra signing off.